Ciao! Since I'm injured, staycation tayo ng konti. And guess what? I got a room for PWD. Ouch! Sakit kasi pa rin ng tuhod ko. Look at that. So, they're kind enough to check me in early. Yan yung bag natin. You can sit there. Galing mo. Hello. Oh, tama. So I'm taking a shower. I can sit here. And then, lowered yung kanyang bowl. May handlebar. Oh, cool. Tama kasi every time nahirapan akong tumayo. And then, lowered din